Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Here we're looking at these gorgeous pool and pool seats and everything about the pool here at the Lenox Timbergrove. This is really attractive. I love the seats in the water like this. There's 6 seats in the water. There's these fountains. And I love the fountains. You see them? They're kind of coming out from both sides. It's a really enjoyable looking experience here. I love it too because you can see it's got 5 floors, but there's not going to be. It's always going to be lit, but it's never going to be like bearing down with the sun on you. You're probably going to have 3 or 4 hours a day of sun, and the rest of it is just a really nice, really pretty experience here. And you can see, a lot of these are going to overlook the pool, so you can have pool views anytime. So it's a really, really nice pool. Hey, if you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, next we're going to go see an apartment. So it's really close to here, so just hang loose. It'll be the next video.